with your scissors. You measure 2.5 inch all through your art paper. Measure 2.5 inch and you make sure it's wide enough. If it's not enough, you can still cut from your leftover paper and measure. You can join with your Huyu gum. So make sure you measure 2.5 inch length of your round paper. Then after you measure, as you all can see, this is what we cut out. This is the 2.5 inch that was cut out. So from the 2.5 inch, you measure half inch. You measure half inch all through. You measure half inch all through. You measure half inch. You keep measuring half inch all through. Then after you measure, you join with your pencil. Use a ruler to join it together. Then you keep joining. You join well, just because it's very long, depending on the size of the cake box you're doing. So you join. If you are to add, you add. Then you are going to use your scissors to cut like a zigzag shape. Be careful while cutting, so you don't cut into the lines. Be careful while cutting. You cut a zigzag shape. You cut all through. Just take your time during this process. It's something easy to do. Just make sure you take your time. You cut all through. Take your Huyu gum. You apply it to the 1/4 inch that we left behind as the allowance. You apply to the 1/4 inch. Then that zigzag, the zigzag you cut out, you place it on the 1/4 inch and make sure you do that gently so that excess will not come out. You can all see the way I'm doing it. Please do this gently so there won't be any mistake. Just make sure that excess is not coming out. Place it well round the head to have a sharp edge. So yeah, it had excess, so I had to cut out the excess. So I used a Huyu gum to glue and I cut with my scissors. I cut out the excess. Can you all see the cover? This is how the cover is going to look like. This is how the cover is going to look.